Hey, what's up, brew tubers? All right, beer number 4. Maybe it's 5, I don't know. This is gonna be Nate. This is the 2018 hop experiment, dual grain, triple play, triple hops hop experiment. This is Nate Peacock's from Under the Table Brewing. This is his IPA. Looks like it's 8.2% ABV. He used Centennial for bittering, HBC 431 for his flavor. He did about a 20-minute, 10-minute, and 30-minute whirlpool at 170, looks like. And then he dry hopped with Strata, 2 ounces at day 1 and then 2 ounces at day 5. It's 85 IBUs, 8.2%, spot on in terms of the targets. I didn't hit the target. At least I think I was over on alcohol. Mine was 8.7. But Nate hit it right on the money. So, wow, got another white cap. Let's see, it is, I know Nate doesn't normally bottle condition, so we'll let all that go in there. Color is quite a bit darker than the other ones. That's interesting. Wonder if he did a very vigorous boil. And the head is a little over a finger, about a finger and a half. Very persistent, fluffy. That's what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, good job on the appearance. Yeah, it's a little darker than the others. Certainly darker than mine. All right, let's go in for the nose. So I kind of cheated on this one. I did a little bit of reading onto the experimental hop. The experimental hop looks like it's equal parts earthy, fruity, and herbal. And then the Strata, I think, is more of a citrus, dank, fruity. So I should get that on the nose. But I learned a lesson with these nuts first. Drink off a little bit of the foam. Then give it a good whirl so I can kick up all the volatile hop oils. All right, see what I get. It's slightly similar to it's kind of similar to Jake's beer in terms of that pineapple fruity kind of ripe fruit thing going on. I don't get the dankness. Or maybe a slight bit. Yeah, not much on the nose for this one. All right, let's go ahead and go in for a taste. Cheers, Nate. Wow, this one's interesting. When you look at the, first of all, it's a very, very nicely brewed beer. As Nate's are always real clean and really nicely brewed. When you look at the hop profile for 431, it has like a little spider web and it shows the characteristics. It shows kind of equal. 3 equal blotches. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 equal blotches. One going to the earthy, one going to the fruity, and the one going to the spicy. I think that's what it is. Sorry, it's been a long day. I kind of get that on the taste on this one. Yeah, it's almost like it doesn't know what it wants to be. It's almost like too much going on. I don't know if it's because it's a combination of the bittering, and I think he used Centennial for the bittering. I don't know if it's a combination of the, being pulled in 3 different directions on the HBC 431, and then the fruity coming in over the top and the Strata. But yeah, it's like it's almost like it's got too much complexity. yeah, it's really weird. I mean, I'm sorry, Nate's gonna hit me. I mean, it's a good beer, just something in the hops isn't working for me. I don't know what it is. It's kind of, yeah, it's kind of all over the place. I don't know. Maybe a little less of the bitter. Maybe if it was to tone down the bitterness on this, might help it out. But it's, I don't know, something about the earthy really sticks out more than anything. If I had to kind of say which way this beer is going, the kind of earthy, spicy characters kind of stick out more. But I don't know. Yeah, it's just something weird. Something weird on this one. Yeah, I don't necessarily like the combination of 431 and Strata. I've never had either hops that I know of in a beer. I mean, I can kind of get the hint of that Strata now that it's, you know, again, I've let it warm up a little bit and swirl it around. As with the others, I'm starting to get a little bit more of the aroma out. And I think I like this Strata. I think I like the Strata aroma. I don't know if I'm a fan of 431 though. That earthy thing might be a little bit too much for me. You know, just me. I mean, it's probably just my my taste buds. But yeah, overall, it's a good beer, Nate. Man, sorry, the hops didn't necessarily work out for me on this one, but hey, I guess that's what you know. That's why we do these experiments. You see what you like and what you don't like. I think I'm going to check out Strata again because I think the flavor. I think the 431 is dominating, kind of taking away from the aroma of the Strata. Because the Strata, I kind of pick out what it said it was going to be. That kind of slight dank, fruity, citrus notes. I can kind of get that, but I think it's overpowered by the earthiness, spiciness of the 431. Okay, all right. Well, I've killed that horse, I guess. Anyway. Hey, thank you, Nate, for participating in the hop experiment. Hope you enjoyed the goodies. I certainly, man, Nate sent me this freaking raw Quebec IPA. I think that was Nate that sent that. It was ridiculous. Matter of fact, when SJ was down, we split that bottle over here. Dude, that thing, just the aroma on that thing was incredible. And if that wasn't Nate that sent that, I apologize. I'm pretty sure it was Nate, though. I think I've also got I have a coffee beer or something sitting there that he sent me too. So anyway, hey, cheers. Thanks, Nate.